We decided to get out and do a little assessment of this flood damage. This is across the street from my house on the Muckalee Creek. Water's up to the door of this house here, and that is the creek back there. My friend Cecil, he lives right down there at the end of the road, and his house is built up about 12 feet off the ground, and it's about to go in his house. We're on Century Road now. Cypress Point Circle, that's Donnie Worrell's house. Out back you see the little garages and stuff, that's his man cave. And next to the RV cover was his garden. Garden's probably about 6 feet underwater. I don't think he's gonna have to worry about it actually getting in his house. Century Road at Cypress Point Circle. We're now at Rain Tree Condominiums off of North Slappy. That is the Slappy Bridge that we're looking at now. And this is the Kitchafoonee Creek right here. You see over the trees out there in the center, the creek bed is just on the other side of that. And all of this is just flooded at a dock right here. And you can see the water has taken over the dock. Again, that's the Slappy Bridge. We're in downtown Albany now, and we're in the back parking lot of the Civic Center. That is the Civic Center, and this is the parking lot. If you'll look over here, there's some vehicles and stuff over there. And right through there is the river. You can see the trees on the far side, the tall pine trees. Just this side of those pine trees, that's the river. Flood of '94, the water was up to that building. Up to the blue mark on the side of the building. Water was almost up to there during the flood of '94. That's the Philema Road Bridge. Water's up to the bottom of it. This is Cleve Cox boat landing off of Philema Road. This is an area here where people launch their boats. This is the boat dock. All underwater. Channel 10's down here. They're gonna do a little story or something. This area right here is what they call the Riverwalk. This paved walkway from Cleve Cox Landing here to the downtown area where the Civic Center is. It's just a paved place for people to walk. All underwater. When I was a kid, we used to jump off of this bridge down into the water. Today, all you have to do is just step off the bridge. You're in the water. Now we're behind the VFW on Philema Road. Water is up to the building, and you can see travel trailers over there. That is the Moose Lodge over there, and somebody didn't get their fifth wheel camper out. And the little red roof building has a little barbecue shed. It's all underwater. We'll walk over into the back door to VFW, and they do have sandbags. Water is up to the sandbag and the back door. It probably hasn't got in yet, but it's close. There's a boat dock, a little boat ramp right over here, and it's all underwater. But this is Lake Worth behind the VFW. That's right, VFW is pulling out the big guns, y'all. This is the VFW and this is their front parking lot. And that's Flint Road. During the flood of '94, the water came up down here and it was up to the sign on the side of the building that says post 2785. Water was up that high on the building. We're now at the parking lot of the Moose Lodge. This is like a small camping area where members can park campers if they want to hang out by the lake, and a couple of campers still out there. But this is the parking lot. It's just before going in the back door of the Moose over there. They got members of the Moose standing by with sandbags, preparing to see what's going to happen. This water's supposed to go down starting any time now, what the rumor has it. This is a shot of a home run food store. Back during the flood of '94, the water was half up the building over here. It was totally underwater. We're now at River Point Golf and Country Club. This is the 18th green, final hole. And here's the 18th fairway, totally underwater. Last stop on a tour, we back down at the Flint River, right down the road from my house. And I was down here yesterday. We took a boat out of the water right over there. The boat ramp is completely gone, and the dock that I was filming was right here between these trees. And I'll walk a little closer and show you where the dock is supposed to be. If you look right there, you'll see a post sticking out of the water with a security light on it. That is mounted on the dock that was out there. The dock is completely underwater. Only thing left out here on this side is a fire pit. There's a fire pit right over there between those trees. And the only reason I guess it hadn't floated away, that's 1/4-inch steel, and it probably weighs 300 or 400 pounds. Yesterday, the water wasn't even near this dock over here. Now it's about to go over. It's got a few inches, but I understand the water's supposed to be going down today. So this dock here may be safe.